So here's just a quick overview of the main steps it takes to get your home sold. First thing we have to do is get your home ready to list. This includes making sure any needed maintenance and repairs are done, the house is clean, and we do all of our pre-listing marketing activities, which I'm going to talk about in our marketing video. The first step is key into making sure we have success before we move to the next step, which is going live on the market. Once your home is listed, we are focused on getting as many buyers to come view your home as possible. So this is when you're keeping your house show ready, we're collecting feedback from showings, and we're working hard to get you an acceptable offer. The next step is going under contract. This is when you've accepted a buyer's offer to purchase your home. Once you're under contract, there are contingencies in the contract that we're looking to clear before we can close. These are things like the buyer completing their inspections, the buyer getting their lender to approve the loan, the appraisal being completed during this phase, and sending the contract to the closing attorney to complete a title review. So once the loan is approved and the title is cleared, we will move towards setting up a closing date, which is the final step. Just before we close, the attorney will provide you with a preliminary statement that's going to show you your estimated net, and that's the money you're going to take away from the sale after commissions, tax prorations, HOA, mortgage payoffs, and closing costs are paid. So we meet the attorney with the buyer to sign all the closing documents to transfer the title, and then you will give the buyer your keys and remotes at that time. So that's it. We get the house ready to list, we go on the market, then we agree to terms for a contract, we work through contingencies, and then we close. There is one last step. Now it's time to move.